Want an outdoor storage shed but worry it's too much hassle or too hard to build? Full hands-on review of the DIBIBI Plastic Storage Shed, unboxing to finished building. Every step shown, no details missed. Can beginners put it together easily? Is it sturdy once built? Any design flaws? You'll get all the answers after watching. Modular design for core modules including floors, walls, roof, and doors, plus auxiliary structural parts. Super easy to install. Check the parts. No damage, no missing pieces. Clearly sorted so even newbies can tell them apart easily. Hardware 1. Strip stiffeners plus U-shaped roof beams. Made of 1.0mm cold-rolled steel sheet. Powder-coated black, rust-proof, and built to last. Hardware 2. Small hardware parts. 1.5mm cold-rolled steel sheet. Electrophoresis treated black. 72-hour salt spray tested. Super corrosion resistant. Aluminum profiles. Used for door frame trimming, door panel trimming, and roof corrugated aluminum strips. Powder coated with textured black finish. Amazing texture. Injection molded parts. Made of PP material air vents, light windows, corners, finials, corner protectors, etc. Black finish. The light ridge is translucent. DIBIBI self-developed extruded board. 16mm thick eco-friendly PP material. Low density, lightweight, high tensile strength, non-toxic and odorless. Colors: Odin Gray plus Black. Sleek and stylish. Fits all kinds of outdoor spaces. Optional solar panel smart module available, paired with the DIBIBI Smart Control System. Loads of great features. Pro tip: sort the parts after unboxing and separate screws by size to save you time on installation. Keep the panels out of direct sunlight to prevent expansion and jamming in high heat. First step of installation. Lay the floor, it's the foundation, so make sure it's level. Pre-drilled screw holes with precise positioning. Even newbies can line them up perfectly. Groove design. Just line up and snap it into place. Smooth edges so you won't get cut. Super easy to assemble. Interlocking design, multiple sizes available, fits any space you have. No professional tools needed. Just a screwdriver will do. A power drill makes it even easier. Lays flat and stable once installed. The 16mm thick board has great loading capacity, and it gets even better with the reinforcements we'll add later. Key installation steps. Putting up the walls. They determine the overall stability. Each wall panel is numbered, and the manual is clear as day. No guessing where each piece goes. Line up the bottom clips with the floor grooves. Press down to secure. Then fasten with screws for extra hold. Can be installed by one person. Two people make it even faster. Modular assembly. Total breeze for newbies. Tongue and groove joints. Fits together like a glove. Sealed to keep out dust and water. Both functional and stylish. Perfectly crafted joints with no burrs or uneven gaps. Internal support parts, made of galvanized steel, super corrosion resistant, great mechanical performance, excellent flexibility and durability. Ventilation grilles, placed in multiple spots for constant airflow. Stops moisture and molds from buildings up inside. Way better user experience. Install the strip stiffener's 1.0mm cold-rolled steel sheet, powder-coated black to reinforce the walls even more, making them more wind and warp resistant. Translucent roof ridge lets in more natural light, brightens up the inside so you don't need extra lights.
Roof installation tips. Line up the roof joints. Press gently to snap together, then fasten with screws. Don't use too much force or you'll damage the translucent material. And make sure it's sealed tight to stop leaks. Interlocking roof design, black finish, numbered panels with pre-drilled screw holes. Super easy to install. Even newbies can do it. Curved design for better water drainage. Stops rain from pooling and damaging the roof. Use shaped roof beams 1.0 millimeters cold-rolled steel sheet add reinforcement for extra roof stability. Groove joints. Snap into place, then fasten with screws. Perfectly aligned pre-drilled holes, so no constant adjusting. Roof corrugated aluminum strips add extra stability. Panels are made of the same weather-resistant PP extruded material, UV and aging resistant. Won't yellow or become brittle in direct sunlight. Super corrosion resistant. The wall panels are super flexible. 16 millimeters thick co-extruded PP material. Bends without breaking. Perfect for outdoor use. UV resistant, so it won't yellow over time. Black PP extruded board with door frame trim. Made of textured black powder coated aluminum profiles, great texture, and won't warp. The door is pre-assembled. Just lined up the hinges with the pre-drilled holes on the wall and fastened with screws. Hinges are 1.5 millimeters cold-rolled steel sheet. Electrophoresis treated black. 72-hour salt spray tested. Corrosion resistant. Sturdy hinges that swing smoothly with no sticking. Won't loosen even with years of use. All injection molded parts, air vents, light windows, corners, finials, corner protectors, etc. are black PP, perfectly crafted to match the overall style. The light windows are translucent for extra natural light. Super easy to install. No professional tools or renovation experience needed. Fits any space. Installation done. Takes about 3.5 hours for one person, 2 hours for two. Totally doable for newbies. Modular assembly is a total game changer. Side-by-side comparison. More sizes, better material, sturdier hardware, more thoughtful design details, easier installation. No painting or maintenance, moisture and termite proof, easier installation, eco-friendly and odorless. Lightweight and easy to install, rust resistant, not stuffy in summer. Better value for money. Wood grain finish looks way nicer, paired with galvanized steel reinforcements. It's ultra stable and secure. Weather resistant PP extruded material plus high quality hardware plus aluminum profiles equals weather. Corrosion and UV resistant, no warping, cracking or leaking even with years of outdoor use. Ventilation grilles plus ceiling strips equals moisture and dust proof. Modular design means easy installation and low maintenance. Perfect for storing garden tools and cluttering. Rose to Point Zero and REACH certified, eco-friendly materials for total peace of mind. Optional smart modules for an even better user experience. Thoughtful details, solid craftsmanship. Weather-resistant PP extruded material. Long-lasting durability, clear advantages over competitors, perfect for newbies. Summary: this shed is exactly what regular people need. Easy to install, tough and reliable, with solid details and no obvious design flaws. Can regular people build it easily? Absolutely. Modular assembly plus precise positioning. No professional tools, custom lengths available. Total breeze for newbies. Is it reliable once built? You bet! 16mm thick co-extruded PP plus high-quality hardware plus aluminum profiles, perfect craftsmanship, excellent snow and wind resistance, and amazing texture. Any design flaws or installation pitfalls? No obvious flaws. Just follow the tips and the installation will go smoothly. All design details are both practical and durable. Level the ground before installation to prevent the shed from being crooked later. Sort all parts and separate screws by size for walls and roofs. Snap the grooves together first, then fasten with screws to keep everything straight. When installing the translucent ridge, don't use too much force or you'll damage it. Don't install in extreme heat, cold, or strong winds to avoid damaging the panels. Tighten screws just enough. Don't over-tighten or you'll damage the panels. Wear gloves the entire time to avoid cuts. Choose the right grade of galvanized steel reinforcements for your needs to boost load capacity. Summary: newbie-friendly, solid craftsmanship, durable, and low maintenance. Remember these tips. For a super easy installation, custom sizes and optional smart modules available. If you're a B2B buyer or distributor of plastic storage sheds, and you need custom designs or bulk orders, and you're looking for a reliable, professional supplier, don't hesitate. Click the bio to contact us. Tell us your needs. And DIBIBI provides you with one-on-one dedicated service, custom product solutions, guaranteed bulk supply, and perfect after-sales support. Let's win together. Remember, we're not just a product supplier. We're your long-term, reliable partner. Like and follow for more product tests. Leave your questions in the comments.